So with this line of action, you can kind of see a couple of the sections in the composition. And with this space right here, this negative space, put this one character right in there. So kind of setting the ground plane of where the feet would be, just to give you a little action line coming across. So it's kind of a upward diagonal curve, bottom left to right, kind of setting it up there. And then just go ahead and placing the circle for the head there, still keeping that line there to help with the spinal column. Doing the stick figure with the shoulders and the waist kind of stands up there and twists. That's up there, so giving the points for the pelvis part of it. Find a circular part for the chest, one for the torso, one for the pelvis, and then those lines kind of come right here. So here's this Z shape for the one leg, and here's this part coming down for this foot. The hands, this far right one, you can't really see the shoulder, but it swoops out there to the hand. Put a circle over there. This one kind of a little bit of foreshortening coming out, but that'll come out later. And you kind of have a profile view of this head. And try to set this up, and it tapers back a little bit. Starts off with a circular shape, and then builds up, elevates itself up a little bit here. The center line for the head, same with the eyes coming around. And this is where you're going to see a kind of a circular shape for the mouth. There's a little 3/4. Just can't see the eye on the right hand side. There's that triangle shape. Here's a little bit of the cheek. Building up with the eye. So once you put the eye in, it gives you a little bit of a focus into it. Trying to wrap that around. So the ear, again, kind of has that centerpiece for it, helps you out. And you can see how it also tapers back a little bit. So he's leaning way back on his hind legs there. Okay, so that kind of builds him up. Find the bottom parts of these mouth, and the mouth is again a triangular shape, building itself out with the teeth, front teeth. And the tongue kind of coming recessed, coming out a little bit. And some of the drawing may have to be adjusted, but that's okay. You can still move this around. There's the piece for it. So when you take a look at the shoulder and the hand coming down, out. There's the tail, just let that be an extension of the spine coming out. The hand on the other side. Remember the mitten for doing the hands. Makes it that much easier. get down to the foot, put a circle for the heel, round part for the foot. Sets himself up like that. And build this. So there's the circle for the heel. And loops that around. So you're trying to develop as much action within that pose as you can get. And then just kind of taking a look at it here. Get a little iris up there. So it makes it a little bit easier to see this character. And once you go through it once, you can take a little bit of the graphite out, just like you do prior to inking it. And that'll help you locate just the figure there. That's that part. So this is just refining it a little bit more. So there's the kind of building that piece up. So it's just trying to anticipate the drawing there. A little bit ahead of it. Sketching in there. That gets that going. And again, the hands and the feet are very expressive in these drawings, so that's what you want to try to capitalize on. Take some of that out. And the pen and ink, that helps you really focus on the drawing as to what's the important line there. See if this comes up here, like so. Kind of see the edges of that. Pretty good. So there you go. So that gives you a little bit of a design from the basic piece, line of action, little under drawing there.